Hey y'all, welcome to another Monday Marketing Minute. My name is Kori Ashton at WebTegrity, and today's tip is all about Google Analytics. Don't let a day go by that you're not tracking your Google Analytics on your website. This is seriously important information. You can tell where folks are coming from, how many folks are getting to your website, what landing pages they're landing on, where they're exiting off your website, what social media platforms are working well for you, and you can even collect demographics on your audience, their ages, where they live, what sort of phones or browsers they're using. Really important information when you're thinking about marketing. Now, if you're looking to go to that next level, I want you to take a look at this. Check out Google Tag Manager. So if you're already doing Google Analytics, I want you to be referencing this resource. Super important to be using something like this to go to that next level when it comes to any of your tracking for Google Analytics and just monitoring your traffic overall. Listen, if it's been a few weeks since you've logged into your website and specifically into your Google Analytics dashboard, go do that today. I want to remind you to do it because it's super important that you know, one, that it's tracking and working correctly, and two, is your effort actually paying off? Are your blogs getting attention? Is your social media effort paying off? The team that you're paying to do it, is it worth the investment? All of these things, these answers can be found inside of Google Analytics. I hope you're having a great Monday. I'll see you on WordPress Wednesday. Stick around, subscribe. Bye-bye, y'all.